Hey guys, Mynock here with Mynock's Den. Hope everyone is doing well. And today I am finally announcing the release of the Mynock's Den Acolyte Armor kit that has been in development for the past several years. And this is being released in the partnership with Vader's Vault. The kit consists of 64 individual pieces, the majority of which are professionally vacuum formed from 0.06 and 0.09 ABS plastic, which is both very flexible and very durable. There are also pieces made from 3D printed plastic, resin, and foam. Like most commercially available cosplay armor kits, the majority of the pieces come untrimmed, so you will need to have access to some tools in order to put this kit together. The major tools you'll need for this job will be a utility knife, belt sander, and a rotary tool, but a complete list of recommended tools is available inside the assembly guide that's included with the armor kit. The kit does not include any consumable materials you might use, such as screws, glue, Velcro, etc. However, there is a recommended consumables and materials list inside the guide. To keep the costs down, strapping hardware is also not included, but the assembly guide will give you a pretty good idea on how you can put this kit together with minimal cost. The helmet is not included and can be purchased separately through the Mynock's Den Etsy page or by sending me an email directly through my website mynocksden.com. I will leave the links to both in the description below. So if you're looking for a quality Acolyte kit, look no further. Head on over to the Vader's Vault store page and get yours today. If you're not looking to buy the entire kit but are only interested in specific parts, those will become available in the future, so be sure to bookmark the page. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we will see you at Vader's Vault.